In IPv6, we have special addresses. Let's have a look at them. First, there is the unspecified address, that's :/128. All bits are set to 0. This cannot be used as a destination. It can only be used temporarily, and I will tell you later. It is used internally sometimes until an application knows what target to use. It's equal to 0000/32 in IPv4, but you probably don't know it, and it's not important because it's for programmers of applications. Then we have a default route that's way more common. It equals 0000/0 in IPv4. And in IPv6, it's called :/0. It's also, as you can see, 0 bits of network, which is an address that's all zeros, also in binary. And we have the loopback address. In IPv4, it used to be 127.0.0.1, and in IPv6, it's ::1/128. For the different scopes, we also have different address ranges. FE80 ::/10 is used for the link local scope, and it's only valid, as you know, on the locally connected link or on your own VLAN. Then we have the unique local scope. This is the address part that is routable within your organization, which is comparable to RFC 1918 addresses in IPv4. This starts with FC00/7. And we have the site local scope, which is deprecated, so we'll not talk about it. Nobody uses it anymore, and it has been discontinued. We also have different scopes for different types of addresses, like the IPv4 mapped IPv6 address, which allows IPv4 connections of an IPv6 only connection over its own API. So you only need one socket. The thing is, the application maybe only supports IPv6, but the server that it's connecting to only supports IPv4. Then this notation can be used. So the IPv6 stack of the host can be used without the need for any IPv4 connection in the application. Then we have a different space for 624 tunneling, which starts with 2002. We have a special range for Teredo tunneling, which starts with 2001/32. Remember, one nibble is 4 bits, so 2001 is just a /16. And if we're talking about /32, it means that 2001 000 up to 2001:FFFF, and everything after that is in this range. And then we have a documentation prefix that starts with 2001 DB8::/32, which should be used in documentations, and it is not routed on the internet. For multicast addresses, we even have different ranges. I told you they start with FF0 and then a number, according to the scope that they are valid in. Just press pause and have a look at this slide, but we'll not talk about it in detail.